friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a very good deal that is today only, which is Monday, July the 24th. So if you're stumbling across this video today, I would definitely get in store and get some food or put a curbside order in for this very cheap food, which is amazing. So this is what's going on. This week, Walgreens has this, celebration of my Walgreens. Every single day, there will be an offer for something back spectacular. And we're going to look at that every single day. I missed yesterday, but we're here today for the food deal. So today is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on grocery, snack, and beverage. Valid Monday only. Please pay attention to that. And it is both in-store or online. So you can either do a curbside order or you can go in-store and get your basket right to $20. In-store might be a bit easier because I think a lot of people are going to really go hard on this, especially if you have a lot of couponers in your area, just to note that. Also, some of us have either a 30% or a 25% back. They are stacking. So it's kind of like a double dip where you're going to get either $16 back or $15 back per transaction, which is really spectacular. More rules for you guys. Again, it's Monday, July the 24th only. For the balance, you have to use your debit card because the nature of the booster of spend 20, get back 10 is like a spend booster, so you have to pay the balance down with your debit card. It is okay to use manufacturer register rewards in store. Most of this stuff doesn't have coupons. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance or IVC coupons. And you can do this again either in store or as a curbside pickup. So most of last week, I was out of town helping my mom to just get her house ready and empty it out and moving this massive stockpile. I wanted to extend a very special thank you to everybody who took a second and watched this video yesterday. That's why I wasn't hauling anything yesterday. I was still on the road. But I really want to thank everybody who took a second to like this video and to leave a comment. I will get back to most of you. It's just been kind of busy. And I will link the video also at the very end. But without further ado, I think I prepared just under 10 deals. Let's look at the food. Okay, so deal number one, we're going to need our best friend loaded, which is this, and one of those percentage back as well. For the rest of the deals, guys, I'm not going to show it because it's super repetitive to say, load this, load this. So hopefully we're paying attention this morning. And I believe this one you can use multiple times, but that first one should be of a one-time use. But if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It might be more than one. We'll have to watch social media and read in the comments what people are saying. For this first deal, a lot of the Kellogg's products is on a BOGO free promotion. Cheez-Its included, and I know a lot of you are addicted to Cheez-Its. I used to be as well. Also, we have this promotion. You would look at the bottom, buy one, get one free. Spend 20, get back 10. You know it's part of the promotion. Just scan a barcode or look it up in the app. I threw in 6 of the Cheez-Its for $5.97 on a BOGO free promotion. And then 4 cans of the Pringles for $6.98. So that is not too shabby, but we're still not at our $20 mark. So I also threw in 2 of these 12 counts of the Pop-Tarts. And those are the bigger boxes. So look out for those ones, guys. And then 2 more boxes of just a different type of Pop-Tart, so 4 altogether. So this total for this whole basket is $21.73. And I just threw this into a basket as a curbside, but you can go in store. Maybe in store might be a little bit easier. After I pay with my debit card, I'm going to get back $15.46 for this order. So it makes it very, very cheap for all of these food items, a lot of snacks and breakfast stuff, just a great little basket. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to need that booster loaded and the percentage booster loaded, and we're going to throw in 4 bags of these Cheetos Flamin' Hot for $22.76. If this is your absolute favorite thing and you're always like, spending beaucoup bucks on this might be the deal for you, and why not? So the balance is $22.76. You're going to have to use your debit card for that, and you're getting back $15.72. So it's just absolutely tremendous. If you think that the spend, like the out-of-pocket is just a bit too much for some of these offers, by all means, guys, pass. But if you have no problem with, spending a little bit with your debit card to get something back to use on a future purchase, I mean, you could even turn around and just after you pay for your order, you get that Walgreens cash, you can just go get toilet paper or whatever you need for your household. But, maybe just think of it that way. I know a lot of people, they're like, this is too much out of pocket. And I agree. But if you wanted to turn it into something else right away, that might also be smart. Okay, so now we have deal number 3. We're just going to put 1 bag of those Cheetos and then 3 of the 12 counts of the diet soda, of Coke, whatever Coke product you wish to have. I just went with Diet Coke to balance the Cheetos. So we're looking at $24.28. In Michigan, you have some goofy fee that you have to pay on all the cans too, so the numbers are a bit misleading. Anyhow, I'm getting back $15.20 in Walgreens cash and pay with your debit card for this, and you need all of your boosters loaded as well, guys. Deal number 4, of course, you have your 2 boosters loaded percentage and the 10 back when you spend 20. We're going to grab 6 cases of the nice water. They're priced 2 for $7. So that is $21 on the nose. Okay, so $21 for all that water. Curbside pickup is free, and we're getting back $15.46. Let's not forget to pay with our debit card because these are spend boosters. But, this is just a really great way to stock up on some water for your stockpile for your home. Like, who doesn't want this? I certainly do. And then number 5, we're going to be looking at these peanuts. They are priced 2 for $5. So you're going to throw 8 into a basket. And yeah, you might have to mix and match on this because a lot of the nuts, like you can only put a couple in your cart. I guess it must be a popular item, but they are priced 2 for $5. So I just got an assortment. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, that's 20 on the nose, and then I'm getting back $15.20 in Walgreens cash, and I'm paying with a debit card because I have that booster loaded. So, to pay, $4.80 for all these nuts, that is like you have enough snacks for the end of the year. That's quite a bit, and what a great value. And deal number 6, we are going to be looking at some chips, and we're grabbing 11 bags of the Walgreens brand chips priced at $1.99. They're usually $2.79. I have never tried these chips, but if you have a lot of cookouts, you know the value of 11 bags of chips. So the total for this, guys, is $21.89. And you're getting back $15.46 with the 2 boosters loaded. Pay with your debit card, and this is a terrific deal. I looked at the math. It's like 58 cents per bag of chips. You don't just eat one, but it's a really great deal. Number 7, we're almost done. We are looking at 2 of the smaller Coca-Colas and 7 bags of the Walgreens chips because I wanted to say the word chips again. Okay, so the total is $23.13, and you're getting back $15.46 after everything is said and done. This is just an absolute tremendous deal. Let's not forget, as you have 2 different boosters, you got to pay with your debit card for the balance. Deal number 8. Now we're going to be grabbing for this one 5 bags of the Doritos, and I know a lot of you love Doritos. After everything's said and done, it's 96 cents per bag, so that's really great. So they are 2 for $8 this week. What a hot commodity. It's never BOGO free like it used to be like 3 or 4 years ago. So 5 of them is $20 on the nose. You're going to pay that because you have that goofy booster of spend 20, get back 10, and you're getting back $15.20. That is some tremendous savings. I looked at the math. It's like 96 cents a bag. If you love Doritos, you know that like this is a really great deal, and I would definitely stock up if that is your chip of choice. Deal number 9. We are looking at getting a bunch of frozen pizzas. The My Walgreens brand pizzas are just a little bit less. I know the DiGiorno, a lot of that stuff went $75 on the weekend. A lot of you were sending me messages. But just the cheaper food, I don't know, the My Walgreens, just a $20 basket of pizza. You grab whatever you want. But looking at the overall basket for a frozen pizza for $21.99, pay that with your debit card as you have those 2 goofy boosters loaded. You're getting back $15.46. So that's just tremendous. And you get your Walgreens cash either, after you pay for your order or after you pick it up in store. It might take like up to an hour to aggregate on your account, just to note that. Extras, and I didn't make a little matchup for this, but if you are looking for like home baking stuff, if you look at the bottom, spend 20, get back 10, all the baking products are earmarked for that. So just a little something, if you're looking to stock up on these goods. And the final thing that I pulled out for you guys, lots of like pantry, non-perishable goods if you wanted to stock up on that. As many of you know, I mention this quite often. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I really have to be careful with what I'm eating, especially the amount of traveling I've been doing lately. So I sadly might just pass today, but in the comments, if you want to let me know what you're hauling and what's working for you, what's not working for you, watch that cash register like a hawk if you're in store. A lot of you that do curbside, you can really follow and aggregate the math. However, if the store starts canceling on you, you have to be at $20, so that might throw a wrench into your plans. So going in store might be a little easier with this. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.